Welcome to the channel. Today I have some very bullish news on cryptocurrencies in general. PayPal giant Venmo is going to roll out a payment system for cryptocurrencies. So stay tuned to hear about this bullish news for the cryptocurrency space and cryptocurrency adoption. We're also taking a look at LibertyX. LibertyX is a marketing service that offers ATM Bitcoin withdrawals at any local store near you. So this is very bullish for adoption. So stay tuned and let's roll the cameras. Welcome to the channel. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on cryptocurrencies and mainly Bitcoin. So before we start this video, you must just take a look at the Bitcoin price from its recent history from 2011 and to the current date of 2020. And let's just take a look at the microstructure of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has been in an uptrend for many years, and this is the most bullish chart in the cryptocurrency space available, because Bitcoin isn't like any other coin out there. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency created, so it also has an advantage over the other cryptocurrencies in the market. And Bitcoin hasn't been altered or changed, but only built upon. So as you can see here, every halving we always see a Bitcoin parabolic rise to the upside. So even this year we had the halving, and we could also now expect another Bitcoin parabolic run to the upside. And my price prediction to the upside is 100k Bitcoin at 2023 I mean. So just take a look at this and see the history of Bitcoin. People just say Bitcoin has been in a speculative bubble, but Bitcoin has corrected, and Bitcoin is gonna outshine the other cryptos and outshine the bears in this cryptocurrency space. So now let's get into the news. So this is some very bullish news heading into Q3 of 2020. If you're holding cryptocurrencies, make sure you stay tuned, because we're still gonna cover some more bullish news up ahead. Still gonna look at LibertyX. So currently now we're gonna look at this article, and this is very big. If you know PayPal is a payment service provider for international payments across the world, and now currently they wanna add cryptocurrencies to their payment systems. This is very big. PayPal has active users of 3 million customers per year. So this is gonna be very big for crypto adoption, because now people can just see on their phones that there's a payment system now called Bitcoin, and people are gonna start using it and adopt it, because PayPal is the most used payment system across the world. So this is very big. So if you read here, fintech giant PayPal plans to roll out direct sales of cryptocurrencies to its 325 million users, according to 3 people familiar with the matter. Currently, PayPal can be used as an alternative means of withdrawing funds from exchanges such as Coinbase, but this would be the first in terms of offering direct crypto sales. This is very big. This is very bullish. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, because the channel needs to grow and crypto needs to grow. So if you read on here on this article, it says, my understanding is that they are going to allow buys and sells of crypto directly from PayPal and Venmo. A well-placed industry source told CoinDesk they are going to have some sort of built-in wallet functionality, so you can store it there. So this will have a built-in Bitcoin wallet, ETH wallet, and all other cryptocurrency wallets. This is gonna be big. This is gonna skyrocket adoption, because Bitcoin needed this. Bitcoin needed some sort of a big financial institution to promote adoption. So even if this is not bullish, I also have another article which confirms that this could be true, and this isn't some sort of a rumor or your fad that you always have every day. So this is a Coinbase article, and here the main title says, PayPal is hiring crypto engineers amid rumors of Bitcoin integration. adoption. So this is what they have to say here in Coinbase. PayPal is hiring crypto and blockchain experts amid rumors that the global payment platform will enable direct crypto purchases of its 305 million users. The job description it's hiring for are publicly available on the company's own job board. The first listing of note is for a job title technical lead crypto engineer. So this confirms that PayPal, Venmo are going to offer cryptocurrency buying and selling platforms to its 305 million users. This is very bullish because this will increase crypto adoption and increase the price of Bitcoin. So if you like this, leave a like on the video, subscribe and leave a comment. This is 2020. This is the start of the new bull run. So now we can look at Liberty X. So Liberty X is gonna offer consumers, its customers, to buy Bitcoin instantly on their trusted stores, and these stores are gonna be 7-Eleven, CVC Pharmacy, and Rite Aid Pharmacy. Some of these stores are very familiar to you guys if you're watching this video. If you live in America, Liberty X is America's first and largest network of Bitcoin ATM cashiers and kiosks. So Liberty X is gonna offer these Bitcoin ATMs across America in every 200,000 retail stores and 5,000 ATMs around America. This is very bullish because these stores are regular stores that most regular people go to buy the basic items and pharmaceutical items. So if you need like cash, liquidity, some money on the side, you can just go to your ATM and withdraw some cash or buy some Bitcoin. So this is very bullish. This is a website called DeFi Pulse. DeFi is also called decentralized finance without any third-party intermediate. It only uses smart contracts to perform crypto loans or earn crypto when putting your money into decentralized finance. Decentralized finance is a new topic, and I won't discuss this topic today because decentralized finance is still new but is making big moves in cryptocurrency space. And as you can see here, there's 1.5 billion locked in USD investments in this DeFi ecosystem, and these are the coins that specialize in decentralized finance, Compound, Maker, Syntax, and etc. So they offer their own services for DeFi, like lending, derivatives, lending, assets, and all those other stuff. Decentralized finance is the future of digital finance, and this could also boost the Ethereum price, as Ethereum is also in the decentralized finance space. So just wanted to show you this website about decentralized finance. I'm not gonna go into great detail. So if you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below of what you learned today, and is Bitcoin going to the moon this year, next year, or never? So leave a comment down below. This is gonna be it for today's video. I'm Digital Digits and I'm signing out.